Good morning everybody and welcome back to the kitchen. Today I show you how easy it is to make your own brown sugar at home. So let's do this. Now I'm gonna use a lot of brown sugar during Christmas time for cooking and baking. But after that the rest of the brown sugar just sits in the pantry and waits for next time. And when you actually want to use it, it just doesn't taste so good anymore. So my solution? I'm gonna make my own brown sugar. Another great thing making your own brown sugar at home is that some recipe call for light brown sugar, other for dark brown sugar. But if you make your own brown sugar at home, you can adapt the recipe just the way you need it. And to make brown sugar, you only need 2 ingredients. 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of molasses. I use grandma's molasses, it's not my grandma, but somebody's grandma. And 1 tablespoon of molasses. Going right in. And now you only have to mix it. You could use a fork or a spatula, but I'm gonna use my handy dandy mixer. I put it on low and mix it together. Alright, and our brown sugar is done. Now for me, I would call this a light brown sugar. But if you want to have a dark brown sugar, the only thing that you have to do is instead of 1 cup of sugar and 1 tablespoon of molasses, you're gonna use 1 cup of sugar and 2 tablespoons of molasses. And that's basically all. Alright, and that's all that I have for you today. If this video was helpful for you, please give it a like. And if you don't already have, please consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!